welcome back to my channel Sanskar's Vlogs and Baking Recipes. This is Sanskar. So let's start with the recipe.
So today we'll make eggless chocolate Swiss rolls. We'll make them without eggs and without oven, directly in a frying pan. So let's start preparing the batter. First we'll take half cup of milk or doodh in a bowl. To this we'll add half teaspoon of white vinegar or sirka. Then we'll mix it well with the help of a spoon. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So now our milk is curdled. To this we'll add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. I'm using half tablespoon measurement, so I'm adding it in 4 batches. To this we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Then we'll mix everything well with the help of a hand whisk. Now we'll sift our dry ingredients. So first we'll take 3/4 cup of plain flour or maida. Then we'll add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar or pisi huई चीनी, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarb or baking soda. Then finally 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Then we'll sift all the dry ingredients in a sieve. So now we'll mix our wet and dry ingredients together with a spatula. With the help of cut and fold method. We use this method for making the batter to prevent lumps and to prevent overmixing of the batter. So now our batter is ready. So now we'll grease our frying pan with some oil with the help of a brush. So first we'll preheat it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So now our frying pan is preheated. So we'll pour half cup of batter in the frying pan. Now we'll evenly spread the batter all over the pan. We'll cover it and bake it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame until bubbles come up. So now we'll insert a toothpick to check whether it is baked or not. So similarly, we'll repeat the same steps and make the other Swiss roll layer. So now our other layer is also prepared. Now we'll flip the pan and demold it. Without any further delay, we'll take a butter paper and put the layer of the Swiss roll cake. We'll quickly roll it like this before it cools down, because if it cools down then it will be difficult to retain the shape of a roll. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes in a refrigerator. We'll unwrap it and apply some whipped cream with the help of a spatula. Then we'll spread it evenly all over the layer and we'll again roll it very carefully. Now we'll again let it rest in the refrigerator for half an hour. So now finally our Swiss roll cake is ready to be cut. So now we'll cut it into pieces with the help of a knife. So you can see how perfectly they've turned out and how easy it was to make them without eggs and without oven, directly in a frying pan. If you like our recipes, then do follow our Instagram page of baking recipes at the rate of Bake Eggless. I'll link that down in the description below. So this was the recipe of eggless chocolate Swiss rolls. Hope you people liked it.
So the video comes to an end. Just hope you liked the recipe. If you did, then please hit the like button, share my videos. Do try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So then bye guys. Thanks for watching.